Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to the #1 channel to become rich. Today, we're going to talk about something that's near and dear to all of our hearts, taking control of our lives. It's a topic that's often easier said than done, but I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, grab a notepad and pen because we're about to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Step 1, define your goals. This is the foundation of taking control of your life. Start by identifying what you want to achieve in various aspects of your life, be it in your career, relationships, health, or personal development. Make sure these goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Step 2, create a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams. Collect images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your objectives. Creating a vision board helps reinforce your goals in your mind and motivates you to work towards them. Step 3, time management. Effective time management is crucial. Create a daily schedule or to-do list that outlines your tasks and priorities. It's important to eliminate time-wasting habits and focus on completing tasks efficiently. Tools like calendars and task management apps can be helpful. Step 4, self-care and health. Taking control of your life involves taking care of yourself. Ensure you get adequate sleep, maintain a balanced diet, and engage in regular physical activity. Your physical well-being significantly influences your mental and emotional state. Step 5, learn to say no. Learning to say no is about setting boundaries and protecting your time and energy. It's crucial for avoiding overcommitment and burnout. Politely declining things that don't align with your goals or values is essential for maintaining balance. Step 6, continuous learning. Never stop learning. Reading books, taking courses, and seeking mentorship can help you acquire new skills and knowledge, enhancing your personal and professional growth. Step 7, embrace change. Change is inevitable, and embracing it is a sign of adaptability. Recognize that change, even if initially uncomfortable, often leads to personal growth and new opportunities. Step 8, surround yourself with positivity. Cultivate positive relationships and surround yourself with people who support and uplift you. These relationships can have a significant impact on your overall well-being and your ability to make the most of your life. Step 9, gratitude. Practice gratitude by acknowledging the positive aspects of your life. This helps maintain a positive outlook and keeps you grounded in the present, even as you work toward your goals. Step 10, take action. Taking action is where the rubber meets the road. Without action, all the planning and goal setting won't lead to progress. Start with small, manageable steps and gradually work your way up to more significant actions. Consistency is key. Remember, these steps are interconnected and often overlapping. Your journey to taking control of your life is not a linear process, and it's perfectly fine to revisit these steps as you grow and evolve. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to your personal growth and empowerment.